Well, hey everybody, it's Tom here. Welcome back to my shop. So today's project, we have a bush hog repair. Let me grab the camera, show you what we got. So here's the head. I guess it goes like on the top of the mower deck. And then you've got this piece here, and then the blades attach, and you mow your field. So I initially did this repair 2 years ago, and customer said he was mowing, hit a big rock, and the rock just kind of laughed and said, "Yeah, you ain't going nowhere, buddy." And so it broke. So I guess getting 2 years out of it's pretty good, the way these local farmers treat their equipment. So initially this was all worn out. I bored it out, and we found another one of these tapered slotted sleeves. I had a nice press fit in there, and I don't know if you can see there, I pinned it also. So not sure what failed, because this goes up in here, so the pins really can't work out. So don't know, maybe he didn't have the nut tight and this thing was able to back off enough. And I mean, the splines aren't in the best of shape, if you can see, but anyways, so we got a couple challenges. He wants this repaired ASAP and to keep the cost down, so we're not going to go full bonkers on it. I think what I want to do is we'll get this bore cleaned up, and we'll press this in again. Not sure how tight the press fit is going to be. If it's not at what I want, what I may do is throw a couple beads of weld on it just to keep it in there so it doesn't go anywhere. Trying to fully weld it, one, you're going to have the issue of heat shrinking this thing, and two, the constant shock load of this thing, and when you first kick it on, and not to mention when you hit stuff, you're eventually just going to crack that weld, and the weld is going to fail. So what we'll want to do is we'll repin it, but I want to pin it in 4 places, and we'll do larger pins. So that's the plan. Let me get the blades off this piece here. We'll get it in the press, and we'll get this thing pressed back in. Of course, this nut had to be an odd size. It's like 1 11/16. I got a 1 5/8 and 1 3/4 socket and wrenches. So I'm having to go old school with a pipe wrench and a cheater bar. Finally broke this one loose, and then the other end wedged under the welding table. Gotta love it. Not a good way to start off and everything wants to fight you. Oh, come on, baby. Alright. That one's free, that's good. Let me break the other one. Alright, breaking out the big one. Yeah, fine. The first one took heat, and I had to put it in the press. It took about 12 tons to finally break it loose to get it out of there. Probably gonna be the same on that one. baby. Ah, dang it. There it went. I hope the rest of this job's not going to be fighting me the whole way. Since we got dissimilar metals, these are little anti-seize. Make sure we don't have any galling when trying to press this thing in, so we're not making more work for ourselves. It might be alright that way. Let me see here. Come on. Of course you want to start crooked. I think the bore got a little bit tweaked, so we're going to be fighting that as it goes in here. It's going to want to. Yeah, it's going in real easy. Obviously spun the clearance on that. Maybe just a smidgen more. Yep, that's the result, looks like. See if we can tap this thing now. That rumble you hear, we're getting an afternoon storm. We sure could use it. Trying to tap dissimilar metals, cutting these threads, a little tough. That's why I'm only going to do the top part with the set screw to hold in the dowel pin instead of just running the set screw all the way down. Figured I'd be setting myself up for failure trying to do that. And that's why I flat bottomed it to give me a good start here. Alright, we're cutting now. I'll bring you back when I'm done. Alright, let's get one assembled. You guys will get an idea of what's going on. So we drop her in there. And then we put a dab of Loctite on the set screw, because we don't want it coming out. Alright, get you in closer. So to recap, what I did, I just took an end mill, clearanced that hole out so we get nice and level. So I got a good place to start for drilling the hole, and then also drilling and tapping the 3/8/16 size set screw. So I'm just going to do the other three, and guess you'll see me back at the table. Somebody's patiently waiting. You ready, buddy? I got your toy. We got an obstacle course though. Got to get over all the steel. You ready? Go get it. He's smart. He's like, I'm gonna take the easy way back. There you go, good boy. I know. Daddy been working hard. Sorry about that. You drop it, I'll throw it. Come on. Well, all right, that's all wrapped up. If you guys can see that. So off camera, I just put some, I don't know, you want to call these heavy spot welds on all four opposite corners of where we drilled. Put a 1-inch dowel pin, which is 1/4 inch in diameter, in all four holes. 3/8 grub screw or set screw on top of it to hold it in so that doesn't go anywhere, and to also keep this tapered slotted collar from going anywhere, because the press fit, as you saw, went in way easier when I originally made this. I can't remember, maybe at least a 3 or 4 thou press fit. It was really nice and tight. So the spot welds will help keep it in place also. So I think this is about the best we can do for this repair. As you can see, can't really do much on the underside. So everything has to be on the top side, but also we have not much area to work with because it has to slide up inside that bore on that Bush Hog. So I think this will work for him. It should last a few more years, depending on how many big rocks he hits. So, quick repair. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. Appreciate all the new subscribers coming to the channel. We're getting close to 5K, so that's awesome. Mr. Chaos is over there. He's looking at his toy like, throw it, Daddy. So let me get back to work,
And hopefully we'll catch you on next week's video. All right, see ya, bye.